Hello and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Mariana and I am very grateful that you decided to stop by and visit my home today. This is the day after Thanksgiving and I had a little bit of cleaning to do and I wanted to finish decorating my home. Tell me, did you started decorating for Christmas or is it a tradition for you to do it after Thanksgiving? Early on the day, we went with my youngest son to Walmart and I picked up an air fryer that I had my eye on it for a while, as well as the elf on the shelf. If you could spot it, leave me a comment down below. This one looks like my oldest daughter, and I be certain to include it in all of my videos going forward until Christmas and see if you can spot it. Under the table is our oldest dog, Luna, sleeping. Her legs are actually giving up on her, so every time she moves, we have to pick her up and bring her to another spot. You'll see me doing that shortly. Also, if this is your first time here in my home, we have a total of 4 dogs, Luna, who's a Shih Tzu, Luz Clarita, who is a poodle, and we adopted her, and 2 German Shepherds, who we also adopted from the police department. They always trying to steal the show, and you will be seeing them throughout the video. Here you are going to see me placing the gold chargers. However, I realized that the whole theme in this room is blue and silver. So I went to Dollar Tree and got myself 4 silver chargers, which I am going to show you at the end. Make sure to give this video a like if you're liking it so far, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you could help me stay relevant and ahead in the algorithm. Soon I am going to show you here a little trick that I learned to remember where does the cups go and where does your batter go. In order for you to remember where the batter goes versus where your drink goes, you are going to use sign language. This is the letter D in sign language, in American Sign Language, and D stands for drinks. And with your other hand, you make the letter B in sign language, and B stands for batter. So there you have it. B for batter, D for drinks. Here in this room, Matthew is actually sitting in the sofa watching football, and we are a sport family. We love sports. We are watching every single game of the World Cup, as well as we watch football. Matthew also loves baseball. He is the only one that watches baseball, but again, he is sitting right there. And here I'm showing you the air fryer that I picked up on sale. Let me know in the comments down below if you did any shopping and what did you score? What did you buy for yourself or something that you've been waiting for to go on sale and now you finally were able to purchase it? Here you see Matthew putting up the Christmas village that we have collected throughout many years. I don't have an eye for decoration. I cannot inspire you to decorate. At least I think so. That's not my strength. But during Christmas, I do try my best, and every year I always collect a little bit more. I love going shopping after Christmas. So, in my breakfast room, which is the first one that you saw at the beginning, that theme over there, it's blue and silver. Here on this side, it's more the traditional Christmas colors. My Christmas tree, it's actually elements of our nature, birds, owls, pine cones. That's what I have going on over there. Again, I really don't have a theme. I just been collecting the cores throughout the year, and I just try to zone them and use it that way. Friend, from the bottom of my heart, I want to thank you for visiting my home and staying until the end to see how I kept adding little things here and there. I pray that today you just pause and you do something that's going to recharge you for you to have a productive week. December is going to start on Thursday. Can you believe that? We made it. We made it. And I am very grateful for your life, and I'm sending you a hug and praying health over your life. Until my next video, stay safe, stay warm. See you then.